In today's video, I'll show you on how you can import 3D models in Prisma 3D. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your Prisma application is updated to the latest version using the Google Play Store or the App Store from iOS. Now from there, you then want to open up the application. It will take us to our main dashboard on which you have to click on the new project. Basically, inside this page, we can then select multiple presets right here. But what you want to look for is the custom option. Under that, we then have the import button. So just click on import. Now, while doing this, you also have to make sure that you already have your 3D model file on your phone right here. You can just go ahead and look for your file, click on it, it will then load, and after a couple of seconds, it will now import your 3D model from your downloaded sources. And so once again, just click on the import button, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.